Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we have Kitty and we have two more friends, Jocelyn and Chris. And can you guess what we are? We are doing the Disney Channel Nite. So tell us in the comment who we are before I spoil it. In 3, 2, 1. Cheetah Girls! We did not plan it, as you can see. We are running not late, but late. What time is it? Anybody know?
It is 5:50.
5:50, and we can get in at 6, so yeah, we're late. But by the time we get there, it'll be 6. So by the time we get into the park, I'm guessing 6:15. So not too bad. We have a plan. We're gonna get a locker for all our jackets. We're gonna go get coffee, and then we're gonna go that way.
Chris is getting his jacket.
Oh, he's getting his jacket. But yeah, it should be really fun. The photo ops look really fun. It's Kat's first night event.
No, I did Oogie.
Oh yeah, okay, that's true.
Yeah.
But the picture ops look amazing. We really want to do that one, and then we want to do Cheetah Girls, of course. But yeah, it should be fun. So let's hear all about it. Okay, it's pretty busy at this time. It is 6:02, and I mean it was really fast actually. It was like less than a minute to go through the queue, so they're really efficient. A lot of Cheetah Girls, but not a lot of orange. So I'm gonna be easy to find. We do have little headsets that Jocelyn got for us. So excited. We'll see how the line is to get in, and we'll see what the keepsake is. All right, 6:07. We are inside. We got our little out. It's super busy. Oh my.
Perfect. Don't crack your wrist. Low 6 until 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Don't crack your wrist either.
I think that's important.
That's true.
Yeah, you move. Okay, keep going moving.
I have proof. Cat's mean. First order of business, get a locker. Usually Oogie Boogie, you get a locker, but because it's cold, we brought jackets. And we don't want to carry them. What was it?
85.
Right here.
Oh, I just won because it's down.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave my Disney Channel keepsake. It's a little TV. It's cute. Okay, here's the plan. We're getting cookies, and then Jocelyn and I are getting coffee. And then we're gonna wait at Rice.
Yeah.
Until the event starts, because it's packed. Like we came yesterday. I mean, it was raining too, so it was like double. But this is like, I'm telling you, between 6 and 9 or 6 and 8, forget about it. Like, eat, find a ride, and that's about it. Or shop. Like,
That'd be a good one.
and that's about it. That's all you can do. There's a lot of cheetahs. Okay, well, my friends are waiting for cookies. I came over to the restroom. The cookie line is insane, but I couldn't do a pickup order. So yeah, I feel like I work at a fast food and I'm like, what kind of fries do you want? What size? So that's coming. All right, it says 90 minutes. I really don't think it'll be 90, but we'll see where we are in the queue, and then that's how I can really predict if it is 90 or not. And we got cookies and we got coffee. Do a mobile order. The line in there was crazy. Yeah. Grab a cookie. Grab a cookie. The line for cookies is crazy too. It was crazy yesterday too. Do a mobile order if you can. Okay, it's been 40 minutes.
Yeah, I guess 50 minutes, so I'm winning.
A lot of people gave up and left. We are under a roof now. So it's like, okay, we're waiting for under a roof. And the line's like legit moving now. So hopefully. And we're looking at the menu now that we can see.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep?
This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
Hey.
Good. There's me central. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Stop flirting with the camera.
Standing by.
Although she is single.
He said I was good walking, okay?
Hold on. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything? Stand back from those doors.
The ship is now under the command of the First Order. Exit immediately for interrogation.
Okay.
Proceed to the right for interrogation. Move along, move quickly.
I like a little interrogation.
I do too.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods are below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
Yeah, okay, so we were persistent.
Yes.
And we stayed in line while people left. And it was worth it because we got to ride it.
And we didn't ride it yesterday, so it's fun.
Yeah, it took a total of an hour, but we were in our seats by the hour.
Yeah.
And it was posted at 90, so we did good. We did good.
It is true, the Empire does have cookies.
Now we're heading over to wait in line for hopefully a picture, but we need to figure out where it's at. It is people are leaving finally, so the park will be a little emptier, and the event doesn't start for another hour. So, yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
What do you think of the ride?
I liked it. I forgot which one it was, and I was like, is this the show? Is this the show? And then when we got to the show, or the actual ride, I was like, oh, I was
Right, it's 8:18, and this is the line for the little, you know what I'm talking about? The little, it's my Disney Channel? No, brought to you by Disney Channel? Whatever. It's by Star Trader. There's a couple of them, but this is the popular one. And there was a huge line for Halloween Town. So this and Halloween Town had a huge line. We'll see how long the wait is. It's 8:18. We're probably gonna take turns. So some of us are gonna shop and some of us are gonna wait in line. And then the merch is here, and they said it's a pin, a patch, and a shirt. So we'll see. But there's 4 of us, so we should be able to divide and conquer. Right now, Katie went to the bathroom. Chris and Jocelyn went to check the castle because we heard there's something at the castle, but I'm not sure what it was. It's moving. I wonder how, I think they might have like a maze. If you've ever been to the Star Wars night, this is where Jabba the Hutt is, and they had a little maze.
You invested so much in this though. See, so much better. Well, that's not her. No, but I mean, like, it looks better.
Hey, you're watching. 9:12. Yeah, it was about an hour, but the event started 12 minutes ago, so technically we gained time because we got the picture done. It's really cute. I think the line is over, so maybe this is not the one to run to.
Oh, well, no, the line starts inside, so technically once we got inside,
It was
like
the
an
hour.
hour
Actually, you're
before
right.
we're
It is an hour. So it's probably an hour wait. But we're gonna go see if they have the pin. And then from here, we're gonna go do our picture. They are out of pins. So if you want a pin, make it a priority.
yeah, because it's 9:14, so.
This is where the dancing is with who's Ferb. What's it called?
Phineas and Ferb?
Phineas and Ferb will come on stage and do a little like dance. Hey. The boys are back.
Oh, here you are, Fairy. Big surprise! dance move is super simple. Take your hands like this. We're gonna scoop this way, like this. Scoop and just like that. I can't do it.
There was no pins, I told you that. And then we happened to encounter Phineas and Ferb as they came out. So we waited there. My friends loved it because they've all seen Phineas and Ferb.
Love it.
I saw like 1 or 2 episodes. Never got, oh wait, oh no, okay. Never got super into it. But it was a vibe. You would think it's like a band. Like you went to a concert and it's like a bunch of fans.
There's so many good hits.
That was the vibe. Here's a Raven one. So cute. And then Sinon was back there too. But all of the lines are bananas. Super bananas. So be prepared to wait in line for pictures. Because the lines are
Long.
crazy. I feel like it's like Star Wars night. That's like the best way I could describe it. Because Star Wars night, you can do like 2 things, maybe 3, and then that's your night. So make sacrifices, have a game plan. And then I asked Kat, how long do you want to stay at Phineas and Ferb? And she's like, forever?
It's so catchy, and I'm not just standing, so my feet don't.
It was cute.
Oh, this one's
Oh, that's why it's so long.
Yeah, classic.
They had a choreography and everything.
I can see my breath.
Look at Lizzie. Okay, so the parade starts in Small World. And I guess they do like a 7-minute bit over there before they start moving this way. So if you want to see the bit, maybe go 10-15 minutes before and then they'll come out. Or if you don't want to see the bit, be here at 9:45 and then you can see the bit. We're over here so that we can do Matterhorn afterwards. We waited, I don't know, 15 minutes maybe. And it was a Calvacade. It was like 10 seconds. I did not feel like I was in a parade, so maybe you do need to see the pre-show to feel like you're in a parade. I don't know. But anyways, we ran to Matterhorn because that was the original plan, but everybody had the same plan. We're gonna do Matterhorn, which I think is Jocelyn's pick, right?
Yeah.
Is this your favorite ride?
Mine is Rise of the Resistance.
Okay. And then Chris's favorite ride?
Hello.
Your favorite ride?
Oh. Haunted Mansion.
Oh, okay. Okay, we just got off Matterhorn.
Have you ever seen like what was it? Monsters Inc. where he's like, it picked me up and shook me like a rag doll.
Yeah, that's what happened. It was.
It was so rough.
We all got raggedy.
It's fun.
Toontown!
Best town.
We're heading to Toontown. No, just kidding, Frontierland. But we're getting to Mickey and Minnie's. We did 2 orders, and then what else do we have? Food. Oh, the picture still. Yeah. But yeah, it was really fun.
Yeah.
And the wait time was less than 10 minutes.
Oh, 100%. It's practically a walk on.
Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so I guess the ride closes early, but Toontown doesn't. Anyways, it closed at 10, so we were almost the last ones in. The couple behind us got it closed, but I think they were waiting for friends.
Yeah.
Because they were like, do we leave? Do we wait for our friends? They stayed. And this is not gonna be 15. This is gonna be like 5 with the pre-show, if I have to guess. But I've been bad at guessing today.
I'm gonna guess 7.
No, you have to do 5 increments. That is not fair. Fine, I want 8.
Okay.
No, I want 5. I want 65.
We have temporary stop screenings of Phineas Perfect Picnic. We apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your patience and understanding. If you wish to wait in line, you may continue to do so. But then we
So the ride broke down, so they said we could either leave or wait, and it could be up to an hour. As you can tell, we decided to wait, but we're giving ourselves a timer. nachos from Daisy's. They smell really fragrant. I think it's the onion. There was
Yeah.
no forks though.
Oh.
So I definitely will need wet wipes. But yeah, I did a mobile order. We'll see how they are. It's very fragrant. One, so miss this. White. White. Since we've seen you, we waited for the cheetah girl picture for about an hour.
I got some pins.
Oh yeah, Katie got pins at the poo corner, and then I did a mobile. I did a mobile order for funnel cakes. They really like them. I
Yeah,
think
they were really good.
overall people who like sweets like them. What else did we get? Sprite.
Yeah. They got chicken tendies and
Oh, chicken tendies, which they said it was okay.
yeah, they looked okay.
Yeah. Oh, my nachos. I haven't talked to you about my nachos either. My nachos, too much onion. Like way too much
There's a
onion.
lot of onion.
So much. Like the moment I grabbed them, not even like opened the box, grabbed it, you can sniff it. So I left a lot of it in the box. I would not recommend. But yeah, we have about an hour left, so
Yeah.
we need to haul because we still have
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain. I want to see what's at Main Street and the show at 12:45.
Yes.
So yeah, not bad. It's still a long line for the pumpkins. Everybody makes space.
Everybody has those days.
1, 2, 3, 4. We did Space Mountain. Did you like it?
Yeah, of course.
We got not the front, not the back. It wasn't bad.
Yeah, it's so fun.
12:38. I can't remember how long that was, but I think it was right at 30.
Yeah.
But we have 7 minutes to make it to the front.
Alright, we gotta get to the front for the farewell now.
There's still a line in there, y'all. It's still like an hour-long line, probably. Hi! Cute! Hi! Hi there! Sandwiches! We are leaving. We a little early. No.
By like 10 minutes.
Yeah. How dare us? No. Overall, what do you think of your first Disneyland event?
That's okay.
Okay. Best
I mean,
thing-
I've come back for Oogie Boogie for sure.
yeah.
Best thing I ate, funnel cake.
Yeah. I mean, she didn't really eat much. We didn't really eat much. You either have to like do pictures or eat or do rides. Like
We did do all of them though, but like 1 or 2 of each.
one, yeah. And then characters, we didn't really like go and meet any.
No.
We saw them, but we just didn't meet them.
But I'm not a big picture person with characters.
Yeah, but it was fun. The little goodbye at the end.
Yeah,
The
that was a
parade,
little
cavalcade. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Tomorrow we have rope dropping in Disney, California.
And, like,
right there. And yeah, like we're gonna see 5 hours. I'll probably like the same. We were like, did we just go to sleep with Maker One? But yeah, I hope you like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see the other nights we've done. We've done Throwback, Sweetheart, Boogie Boogie, Halloween. What is it called? The one in
Halloween
Florida. Yes,
Something Bash.
something bash. But yeah, check them out. And then I hope you have a magical day. And until next time, adios.